If your phone is silent while someone is desperately trying to call you on WhatsApp, your system isn't broken, it's suppressing the app. Android 16's new battery policing treats incoming calls like background noise. Today, I'm showing you the hidden path to ungag WhatsApp and ensure you never miss a connection again. First, let's find the hidden handshake. Long press the WhatsApp icon and tap the I app info icon. Tap Notifications. You won't see a calls menu here, that's the trap. Scroll to the bottom and tap Additional Settings in the app. This opens WhatsApp's internal vault. Scroll down to the Calls heading and ensure a sound is actually selected. If this is set to silent, the system kills the alert before it ever hits your screen. Next, we kill the battery trap. Go back to the App Info menu and tap App Battery Usage. Then tap Allow Background Usage. If this is set to Optimized, your phone delays call alerts to save juice. Switch this to Unrestricted immediately. Then, go back to the App Info page and tap Mobile Data Usage and ensure background data is toggled on so the app can see the call coming in. Here is the Genie secret for the most stubborn calls. Open your settings and search for Alarms and Reminders. Tap it, then find WhatsApp in the list. Most people don't know this, but Android 16 uses this menu to prioritize real-time events. Toggle this on. This grants WhatsApp critical priority status, allowing it to bypass the system's background policing and force the call UI to appear, even if your phone is locked or in a deep sleep. Now that your calls are coming through, your location privacy is the next big threat. Watch this video right here to see how Google tracks you even when your GPS is toggled off. Subscribe to stay ahead of the next update. I'll see you there.